With the manufacture of green tea, the idea is to capture the green colour and the green flavour of the leaf. So what we've got to do is actually stop any oxidation from happening, because otherwise, as soon as you pick the leaf, it's going to start turning brown. And if you have a look at these leaves here, they are all beautiful, vibrant green, sometimes with little silvery flecks in, sometimes bluer green, sometimes more yellowy green, but the colours are fantastic. So the manufacturing process goes like this. As soon as the leaves and leaf buds have been picked, they're taken back to the factory or the manufacturing unit, which might be somebody's kitchen in China or in Vietnam, etc. And the leaf is actually heat treated to stop any oxidation from happening. Now, the heat treatment can actually be dry heat or it can be wet heat. And in China and Korea and Vietnam and places which learned about manufacture from China, they use dry heat. In Japan, where they make senchas and gyokkuros, then it's going to be wet heat that's actually used, so steam. And the difference in the flavour profile in the teas will be different because of those different processing. Now, with the dry heat treatment, either the leaves are actually tossed into a hot wok and tumbled quickly against the hot metal, just to kill off the enzymes that would otherwise allow oxidation to happen. So that seals in the green, it fixes the colour and the flavour. Now, as soon as you've done that, you need to work the leaf and break the cells inside the leaf so that the flavour develops a little bit. And depending on where you are in places like China, every little village area will have its own way of rolling. Sometimes the leaf is pressed, sometimes it's worked between the hands, sometimes it's rolled on a bamboo basket, sometimes it's actually pressed with a machine, but that will develop the flavour. And when that's been done, you have to dry the leaf so that you remove almost all of the water content, and then the tea's ready for packaging. So we've actually got here a beautiful Dragonwell green tea from the east side of China, which is actually manufactured using a wok, and it's all made by hand. And then there's this one, which is an absolutely beautiful leaf. It's sort of blue-green, very long leaf buds, very special tea. And the colour and the shape of the leaves is quite spectacular. And then we've got this green tea, which is actually flavoured with jasmine, where the leaf has just been slightly curled, slightly rolled by hand to develop the flavour. But it's quite a silvery green leaf, very, very pretty. So they all look slightly different, but the processing methodology is the same to capture that wonderful green flavour and green colour.